Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to explore OCA module for debranding of Odoo, and this is the OCA repository server brand which will have different modules to debrand your Odoo and removal of Odoo branding from some of the application and stack. So you can see, like, when you are using community edition, then this work best because in enterprise we cannot remove this. So when you are loading community and you want to debrand Odoo, you can use this tag to remove enterprise Odoo logo, like portal, and disable Odoo online apps from that. All these applications are available under this. Now I have installed a fresh database on my local host with Odoo Community Edition. Now you can see this is the Odoo Community interface, and I am installing my first application, that is the sales application. And once it is installed, then we will see how this OCA repository, that is server brand, will help us to remove certain Odoo branding from this community edition Odoo applications. So let the sales application install first, and then we will have our first application ready, and then we will install all these applications one after another and see this impact. So first is like Odoo, like disable Odoo online. That app, what it will do, like it will remove the odoo.com bindings. So the very first thing you will see, it's deactivated only in community edition because it's not legal to deactivate notifier code in Odoo enterprise. Okay, so when we install everything, like sales app is there, it is community edition, and then in settings you can see I'm enabling the developer mode. Everything works perfect. Now I will go to application stack, and then I will install disable Odoo online. Okay, so you can see a lot of apps are there. So I will write disable, and then this disable Odoo app online is here. Okay, so I am activating this. So remove odoo.com bindings from here. So once it is installed, then we will see, like in settings and everywhere, like it is Odoo Community Edition, and then you see odoo.com is no more available over here as a binding. Okay, so that is the use of this particular application. And then apps and updates menu items in settings are hidden inside the technical parameters. Now documentation support and Odoo account are also removed from user menu. So you can see it is no more available over here. So this is the useful app when you are removing Odoo online connection. Now we will see the second app, portal Odoo debranding. Okay, so when I am switching to portal, let's say I'm switching my profile as a portal user, so I will be asked to log in first. So this is my portal where I can see powered by Odoo and everything. Now I will see and install portal debranding. So remove Odoo branding from website. So I will be activating this application now, and let's see the impact. So once it is installed, and then I move to my portal and I refresh. So over here, now this is here, and let's see the server brand portal Odoo debranding module. So what is this? Is remove Odoo branding from portal pages. Okay, so I have already created that, and this powered by Odoo is still there. Mostly if I am logging out and maybe in incognito mode, let me open this V18CE. So let me just reset the password. because I don't think so I have created the proper user over here. So I am creating a new user, and it is going to be portal user, and I am changing its password because the previous one point to a separate database. So what I will do, I will go over here. It is pointing to different database. I am coming into my correct database. Let me change the password. Not allowing me. Let me change it to proper password. Five, six, seven, eight. Five, six, seven, eight. So I am on to the same database V18CE, and then I'm trying to create a portal user over here. So portal access is already given. So I think everything is perfect. Still, let me check why it's not working. Let me try it here only. Yeah, so here you can see Odoo branding has been removed from everywhere. So this is how now over here only we can see some branding, but in portal page it is removed. So that's the use of this Odoo branding from website removal. Now we will come to the another app, that is Remove Odoo Enterprise. So what it does, like it removes enterprise only apps and features from settings view, and also disable the Google Play and Apple Store application. So I will go to application and I will search for this app, Remove Odoo Enterprise, and I will activate this. So after activating this particular application stack, now if I go to apps, you can see enterprise apps are not visible anymore. So this is where we can see it is only showing the community edition apps only. So this is where you can use this particular server brand application stack, which is available for free from our own Odoo Community Association, and install on your community edition to disable some of the Odoo branding from your Odoo Community Edition instance in version 18. Hope this will help. Even you can do it for version 17, 16 and everything, where you can find some more modules which will help you to debrand Odoo code, logo and everything from somewhere. Okay, hope this video will help many people to utilize this free module for debranding their Odoo Community Association and Odoo Community instances. Thank you guys. Have a good day.